Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a timeout area in Toca Boca. First, choose a quiet and private spot within your Toca Boca home. It is best to select a room that is not heavily used for active play, like a corner of a bedroom or a small, separate space. This ensures the area feels distinct and serves its purpose effectively, giving your characters a calm moment away from the main activities. For furniture, keep it simple and non-distracting. Place a single, comfortable item, like a small stool or a soft chair, for your character to sit on. You might add one calming decoration, perhaps a small potted plant or a single book. The key is to avoid any toys or interactive objects that could make the area feel like another play zone, maintaining its quiet purpose. Creating a calm atmosphere is crucial for the timeout area. Opt for neutral or soft colors on the walls and floors, such as light blues, gentle greens, or warm beiges. Avoid any bright, stimulating colors or busy patterns that might overwhelm the senses. Ensure the lighting is soft and gentle, perhaps by using a small, low-intensity lamp to foster a serene environment. Defining the boundaries of your timeout area helps make its purpose clear. You can use a small, distinct rug or even a different floor texture to visually mark the designated spot. If you have enough space, consider adding a low partition or a decorative screen to create a sense of enclosure. This helps the character understand the specific confines of their reflective space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.